Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So printing labels wrong can cost you money. You should just do these steps instead. So if you want to just get your basically label on Etsy, you want to use it for shipping and all of this. You all know basically these steps. But don't worry, I'm gonna talk about them again in today's small tutorial. But mainly we're gonna go through how to print an Etsy shipping label in this platform in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first and first, we want to download the shipping label PDF so we can access it and get it to the printer. How to do so is basically easy. All we're gonna do is go open your device, make sure you're fully connected to the internet, go to Etsy.com, then go through this basically section. Make sure you log in using your email address and password, then go to the shop manager here. Then go all the way through the orders settings and download the PDF from there. Then set printer settings to actual size, not fit to page. Then you can do the portrait orientation. Then use the correct paper size as well. Now it's time to print. Then cut and securely attach your package. As a bonus tips, a thermal printer saves ink long term. You can try and use that. Use clear shipping tape, don't cover barcode with glare since the company will need that to scan it. Then scan the barcode to test readability, so you won't have any problems, including the Korea basically and all of these shipping companies. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.